Hey friends, it's Nathan Chapman again for Chapman's quarantine activity number 6. I have decided that I will venture forth on a field trip. Of course, respecting the rules of social distancing, I will maintain proper distance at all times, but it is a beautiful day and I'm going to go bird watching. So, I have my binoculars, the hat, protect my face from the sun. I went ahead and made a table so I can put tallies down for the birds that I plan on seeing, robins and cardinals and blue jays, chickadees, finches, and then of course birds I don't know. So I have a marker so I can keep track of which birds I see and how many. I'll just go ahead and put tallies next to each of these spots as I see a bird. And when I'm all done and come home, I will make a bar graph of the same birds. I have prepared a graph with along the side. I'm not going to be going for too long, but I am going outside, so I don't anticipate seeing more than 13 of each kind of bird. But along the bottom I have the types of birds, same as the tally chart: robins, cardinals, blue jays, chickadees, finches, and birds I don't know. And so when I'm all finished, I will take my tallies from the tally chart and I will make a nice pretty graph using colored pencils, making the tallies show up on the bar graph. So this is going to have to be a two-part video because I am going to have to take a bit of time. I can't bring the camera with me and scare away the birds, so this will be a two-parter. I will check back with you in a couple hours. Wish me luck.